how to use Status app. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Status app. So to get started, we need to know it's a unique social media app that blends role playing with online interaction. I'll guide you through the entire process from downloading and setting up your account to exploring its features and growing your influence. If you're ready to create your digital persona and navigate this immersive world, let's get started. First, let's install the app. Open the Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. In the search bar, type Status, and once you find the app, simply tap Install. The download will begin, and once it's finished, upon launching the app, you'll be greeted with a login page. If you already have an account, simply sign in, but if you're new, you can create one using Google or enter a referral code from a friend. Once logged in, the first step is to select your first character follower from a list of options. These are virtual personas that will interact with you throughout your journey. After that, it's time to create your own persona. Enter a character name and handle, and the app will generate a unique scenario for your digital self. Once everything is set, you can start engaging with the platform by making your first post. Now, let's explore the app's key features. Your profile page is where you can track your followers, view your bio, and customize your settings. The notifications tab keeps you updated on interactions, while the schedule feature allows you to plan upcoming events and activities. In the level section, you can see your skills, progress, and tasks, such as gaining a certain number of followers to level up. Finally, the home page is where you'll see posts from other users, and you can contribute by creating your own content with the post button. As you interact, you gain followers and increase your status, making your digital persona more influential. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.